Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and embed a video on Twitter, aka on your X app. Before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, first access your X app here in your mobile phone. Once you have done so, you're going to find this kind of interface, right? So let's say this is the particular video that we would like to embed in our profile. Go back, long press on the particular video, and then you will be able to find this, again long press, and then you will be able to find this option called post video, right? Simply go ahead, tap on it, and now you can see that link is now simply pasted over here. You're simply gonna go ahead, add a caption for you, simply write a text, and then you're gonna go ahead, tap on this post option, and your post was sent. Now go back to your profile, and here you can see that particular post has been embedded over here in your profile. So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be seeing you guys in our next video.